Transferring funds from Robinhood to Cash App is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer funds from Robinhood to Cash App. So the process is actually pretty simple. You just need to follow these instructions. First of all, you need to open up the Cash App application. Then you have to find your Cash App number. In order to find it, you have to navigate to your Cash App account settings, find your Cash App account number or routing number. The information is essential for linking the external accounts. Then you have to log into your Robinhood, open the Robin app, or you can actually go to the website as well and log into your account. Now, after doing that, you have to link your Cash App. In Robinhood, navigate to transfer or banking section, look for an option to link an external bank account, enter the Cash App account number or routing number to link your Cash App account with Robinhood. Now, fifth step is verify your link. They might ask you to, confirm it from the Cash App account or by the email. You just have to do that. Now, sixth thing is you have to initiate the transfer from Robinhood to Cash App. After successfully linking your Cash App account with Robinhood, navigate to transfer section in Robinhood. Select the options to transfer funds and choose your linked Cash App account as the destination. Now, the step 7, enter transfer amount. 8, review and confirm. And step 9, wait for the processing. Step 10 could be confirmation. Confirmation could be your email or could be your phone number as well. So that's pretty much it. That's all we'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.